Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll start the Medina book volume 2, second part of Dروس اللغة العربية. Okay. So here you will get there are two types of sentences. First type is called al-jumlatul ismiya and second type is called al-jumlatul fi'liya. Al-jumlatul ismiya starts with the noun. Al-jumlatul ismiya tabda'u bi ismin. Al-jumlatul fi'liya starts with the verb. Al-jumlatul fi'liya tabda'u bi fi'lin. Now, jumlatul ismiya has two parts. First part is called mubtada, which in English is called subject. Second part is called khabar, which in English is called predicate. So remember that Jumlatul Ismiya has two parts. First part is called Mubtada and second is called Khabar. Mubtada in English is called subject and Khabar in English is called predicate. Then we will study about Jumlatul Failure later in detail inshallah. In this chapter we will focus on Jumlatul Ismiya only. Then you will learn about the particle inna. Inna is added only in Jumlatul Ismiya. It is not used in Jumlatul Fi'liya, it is used in Jumlatul Ismiya only. After the addition of inna, the mubtada become mansoob. So here you see mubtada, al-kitabu is marfu. After the addition of inna, it become mansoob. So when we add inna to a Jumlatul Ismiya, mubtada become mansoob. Then in this Jumlatul Ismiya, Al-Kitabu Sahalun, Al-Kitab is called Mubtada and Sahal is called Khabar. But after the addition of Inna, the word Al-Kitab is called Ismu Inna. So we cannot say that this is Mubtada of the sentence, but we will say it is Ismu Inna. And we can't say Sahal is Khabar here, but we will say it is Khabaru Inna. Khabaru inna. It is the khabar of inna. It is the ism of inna. So their name also changes after the addition of inna. So you will learn these things. Miss Khatija.
Okay. In this lesson, we learn the following. In Arabic, there are two types of sentences. The nominal sentence, jumla ismiya, wherein the first word is a noun, e.g., al-kitabu sahlun. The book is easy. The noun which commences the nominal sentence is called an mubtada, al-mubtada, while the second part is called al-khabar. The verbal sentence is jumla fi'aliyah, where the first word is a verb. Haraja Bilalun, Bilal went out. The particle inna is used at the beginning of the nominal sentence. Al-kitabu sahlun, the book is easy. Inna kitaba sahlun. Note that the noun after inna is mansoob. After the introduction of inna, the mubtada is no longer called mubtada, but is instead called ismu inna. And the khabar is called khabar inna.
Okay, so what are the two types of sentences?
Nominal and which is starts with an ism, and fa'liya, which starts with a verb.
Okay, so what are their names in Arabic?
Jumla ismiya, which is the one which starts with an ism, a noun, and jumla fa'liya, which is one which starts with a verb.
Okay, What are the two parts of al-jumlatul ismiya?
Mubtada, which is the subject, and haba, which is gives the information about the
Predicate.
subject.
Okay, which is
Predicate. Predicate, yeah.
Then what happens after the addition of inna?
When you add inna, the mubtada becomes ism inna, and the haba becomes haba inna.
And also mubtada ismu
Mubtada will have fatah mansub, and haba will be marfu.
Okay. Miss Niswan, continue.
نعم. If the mubtada has one, right?
Inna signifies
in-
emphasis.
Inna signifies emphasis. It can be translated as indeed, surely, no doubt, and verily. Not the following. Note the following. If the mubtada has one dhammah, it changes to one fathah after inna. E.g. innal mudarrisa jadidun. Al-mudarrisu jadidun become innal mudarrisa jadidun. Aminatu talibatun. Inna aminata talibatun. If the mubtada has two dhammah, they change to two fathah. E.g. Hamidun maridun. Inna hamidan maridun. If the mubtada is
In the previous volume of the book, in the first volume of the book, you have learned that the pronouns huwa, hiya, anti, ana, nahnu are marfu. All these are marfu. Now you will tell me what is the mansoob and majroor form of huwa. Anyone can answer me?
It's the same.
No. Huwa is marfu. Its majroor and mansoob form is different. You have studied it in the first volume.
innahu.
No.
Huwa.
Only who.
Hoa is whole. Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Who.
Yes.
So
It's when they're attached, isn't it? Yeah.
Then what is the mansoob and majroor form of hiya?
Ha.
Ha. Anti,
Ka. Aki.
ki, and anta,
Ka.
Antaka.
ka, ana,
Tu.
Ye.
yi,
Oh
nahnu.
yeah.
Na.
No.
Nah.
So you need to remember this thing. Continue this one.
If the mubtada is a pronoun, it changes to its corresponding mansub form. E.g. anta ghaniyun, innaka ghaniyun. For the mansub forms of all the pronouns, see exercise 3 in the main book. Note that the pronouns of the first person singular and plural have two forms. Innana, inna, innani, inni.
So what happens after the addition of inna? What happens after the addition of inna to jumlatul ismiya?
Mubtada become ism inna, ismu inna.
Ismu inna, and also it become mansoob. Okay. Since it will become mansoob, so we will use the mansoob form of pronoun. We will not use anta, but we will use ka. Then la'alla is the sister of inna. This means all the rules of inna that we have studied will be applied on la'alla also. So after the addition of la'alla, mubtada become ismu la'alla and it becomes mansoob. Same thing with la'alla, we will use the mansoob form of the pronoun. Miss Noor,
La, this is also a particle like inna. It is called one of the sisters of inna. Grammatically, it acts like inna. It signifies hope for or fear. E.g., al-jawu 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 jamilun. The weather is fine. La'alla al-jawu jamilun.
Jawwa,
Jamilun. Jawwa jamilun. I hope the weather is fine. Al-mudarrisu maridun. The teacher is sick. La'alla al-mudarrisa maridun. I'm afraid that the teacher is sick. In this lesson, we have examples of I hope only.
okay. So what happened after the addition of la'alla to Jumlatul Ismiya?
The mubtada become la'la,
Ismu
la'la,
la'alla,
ismu la'la. And the khabar become khabar la'la. And the mubtada become fatha, kamansub.
mansoob, okay. Miss Rahma, will you participate in the class or will you just listen?
I'm participating, sir.
Sorry,
I'm with you, sir. I'm participating.
I can't hear you well.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
I'm with you, sir.
Then we have the word zoo. Zoo mean having possessing and it is always muzaf. So next one will be muzaf ilayh. So it will be majroor. Muzaf ilayhi is always majroor. Zoo is always muzaf and next word will be muzaf ilayhi. Mr. Rahman, continue.
In this, okay. So this word mean having or possess.
Possessing.
Okay, processing. Sample. Zu malin. Processing words. Words.
Wealthy.
Zu working. Okay. Zu hulkin. Processing manners. Is well mannered. Zu ilm. Processing knowledge. It learned it was mudaf, and the following word is mudaf ilayh, and therefore it is majrur. The feminine of zu is zatu. Sample. Khulukin. No. Bilal zu ilm. Wa ukhtuhu zatu khulukin. Bilal is learned and his sisters well mannered. The plural of zu is zur,
Zawu.
zawu, and that of zatu is zawatu. Sample. Haulai tulabu zawu ulekin. Haulai tolibatu zawatu khulikin. ذلك طالب ذو خلق.
هذا الطالب.
هذا الطالب ذو خلق. هذه الطالبات ذات خلق.
Miss Rahma, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Next, we have the word The meaning of word and the meaning of the word aw is same. Is used in questions and aw is used in simple sentences and negative sentences. Meaning of both words is same, but their use is different. Is for questions only, and aw is for simple and negative sentences. Mean or, so basically whenever we are using this means we are discussing two things. So one of those things must be attached with and other thing must be attached with the particle hamza. So here you see we are discussing two things, muhandis and tabib. So muhandis is attached with and tabib is attached with a. If I say anta tabibun muhandisun, then this will be a wrong sentence. I must join tabib with hamza. So Miss Khatija.
M means or, but only in an interrogative sentence. Tabibun, enter, M or muhandisun. Are you a doctor or an engineer? Min Firanza, huwa M min
Separate.
min Almania. Is he from France or Germany? Bilalen Ra'aita M Hamidan. Did you see Bilal or Hamid? Okay, why is it gone into Mansub?
Sorry.
Why is that into Mansub?
Okay, because Raita is a fail and it's Maful al Bilal and Hamid. Maful is always Mansub.
Okay. Note that the particle Hamza precedes one of the two things about which the question is asked, while M precedes the other. So it is wrong to say, enter Mudarisun Tabibun. Dhahaba illa Makkata Jiddata. The correct construction is Mudarisun enter M or Talibun. Ila Makkata Dhahabta ila Jiddata.
Did you understand the point? Did anyone understand the point?
Yeah, when you're asking a question, you must have
Another
in between the choices.
Why this sentence is wrong and why this sentence is correct? Anyone can answer why this is wrong and why this is correct.
You have to have the question before the noun.
When we are using we have two nouns. So one of the noun must be attached with the particle hamza and other noun must be attached with the particle So here mudaris is not kept with the a. There is a distance between them, so this is wrong. Here mudaris is kept with hamza, so it is correct. Similarly, here we have Makkah and Jeddah. Makkah must be kept with a. So here you see Makkah is kept with a. So this one is correct. Okay.
Okay, I could see in that one, the other one, because enters a noun too, isn't it?
Anta is a noun, but we are not asking about this noun. We are asking about these two things, Mudaris and Talib.
Yeah, okay.
So the thing which is asked, that is kept with the particle Hamza, not other thing.
Okay. Okay.
Next,
In non-interrogative sentence, أو is used for or. خذ هذا أو ذاك or ذاك. Take this or that. رأيت ثلاثة أو أربعة. I saw 3 or 4. خرج بلال أو حامد. Bilal or Hamid went out.
what are they telling us here?
This is when you're giving choices, not asking a question.
They are telling you that the meaning of and au is same, but au
Yeah.
is used in simple and negative sentences, and is used in interrogative sentences only.
Okay.
So what are they telling you here?
This is or it's not a question sentence.
Mia mean 100. Okay, you have learned the rules of counting. So in 1 and 2, the madud is naat and manud. Okay. From 3 to 10, what is madud? Anyone can tell me?
Mudaf alayh.
Yes, from 3 to 10, the madud is muzaf ilayhi. So muzaf ilayhi mean it will be majroor, jamma majroor. So from 3 to 10, the madud is jamma majroor. Okay.
Okay.
Then from 11 to 99, what is madud? Mufrad mansoob. From 11
Okay.
till 99, it is mufrad mansoob. Okay.
Okay.
So from 3 to 10, what is muzaf ilayhi? Or what is madud?
10.
Jamma majroor. From 3 to 10, madud is jamma majroor. From 11 till 99,
Mafrid mansub.
mufrad mansoob. Now you will learn about 100 and 1000. With 100 and 1000, the madud is mufrad majroor. Madud is mufrad majroor. Okay,
Okay.
Miss Swan.
Yes.
Swan, I can't hear you.
Mi'atun. 100, alfun, 1000. Note that in mi'atun, the alif is not pronounced. It is pronounced mi'atun. In certain countries, it is also written like this without the alif. After these two numbers, the ma'dud is singular, majrur. E.g., mi'atu kitabin, 100 books. Alfu riyalin, 1000 riyals. Hadha tilfaz bi alfi riyalin. Here, alfi is majrur because of the preposition bi mi'atu and alfun have the same form with the feminine ma'dud also. Iji alfu muslimatin wa mi'atu talibatin. Wa mi'atu.
So tell me, what is madud from 3 to 10?
Ma'dud is majrur.
Jamma majroor from 3 to 10.
Majrur.
Jamma majroor from 11 till 99.
Mufrad mansub.
Mufrad mansoob. And for 100 and 4000.
Thousand.
Mufrad majroor.
Ah,
Mufrad majroor.
For 3 to 10, mufrad mansub.
Jamma majroor
Jamak majrur.
from 3 to 10. Jamma majroor from 11 to 99. Mufrad mansoob
okay.
for 100 and for 1000. It is mufrad majroor. You need to remember this thing.
Okay.
Inshallah.
This is for madud only. Now we will take the break here and join it again using the same link. Okay.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.